tonight we're going to be really brave and venture out on foot to Burger King. Google says it's only about a 2-minute walk, so we're going to take that trek and see how it goes. I'm kind of hoping we don't have to cross the road. That could be a challenge. I just realized our balcony's pretty nice. It's got all, oops, kick the chair then, why don't you? Well, we've got some shops across the road. This is Tim's view, although I'm not in his room. I'm in the general sitting room area. I don't know which way Burger King is, but we'll find it because he's got Google Maps. Okay, we made it to Burger King. We could go across the road where I see KFC.
We already did the KFC right there. Anyway.
Tim's last experience with KFC at the airport wasn't so good, so that's a no-go. We knew that already. We're going to see what's on the menu here. Okay, Burger King veggie, a BK veggie, a crispy, a makhani burst, don't know what that is, a double crispy. I have no idea what a crispy is, but they have lots of them. We've got a paneer royale wrap, a fiery chicken wrap, I read that one already. Hot and cheesy, paneer royale, there's another paneer royale, but that's a sandwich. I think I'm just going for some fries. If they've got some regular ones. I think they do. A veg Whopper. Actually, it's probably pretty good if I was hungry. If I was aiming the camera right, you'd be able to see what I was talking about. I'm really not very hungry, so they've got crunchy chicken nuggets with dip. I wonder how spicy that is.
Yeah, so you want dip or
okay.
Sauce? Yeah, what kind of dip do you have? Cheesy dip and garlic dip.
I found what I want.
Would have been hungry enough to try some of these. It's that's only about $2. It's like a $1 shake. 2 for $40. Like 2 for a $4.
Okay, you're probably wondering how much this was. Our 9-piece chicken nuggets, and some fries, and a mousse cup, and a cookie crunch sundae. Let me go ask Google. Good grief. Tim just told me we spent a whopping $5.88 on this food for our dinner. Can't beat that. There's a 2-for deal on cones and milkshakes. So shakes are about $1 a piece if you buy 2, and the cones, something like $1/4 a piece if you buy 2. So we have a box of chicken nuggets, a chocolate mousse cup, a sundae, and some cheesy fries with a couple of dips, a cheesy dip and a herby garlic dip. And ketchup, and I think this is the same ketchup that Tim had at the airport that was his preferred ketchup, so that'll be good. So what's the verdict on the sauces?
So they both have a little bit of heat, but not bad.
Yeah. Tim thinks they have a little bit of heat. I'm thinking actually the nuggets have just a tad of spice. Now that I've finished one, it was good, but the back of my throat is warm. This cheese is really sort of processed or something on the fries. It's not very good. I don't care for it. Even though I scrape most of mine off. Here's my mousse. It has some chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips on top. Okay, the mousse is pretty good. Even with my wooden spoon to eat it. That's a little weird because it doesn't come off like a plastic spoon would. But it's eco-friendly, I guess, so it's good.
Some more ketchup, please.
So what do you think of your sundae?
I think it's your typical bag mix ice cream, and the cookies are really crunchy, like they're stale. They're not your typical cookies and cream Oreo that's really soft. These are crunchy, like crunchy in your teeth, crunchy. So certainly not Oreo topping.
I really like the lampshades here. We've got a white one. There's some red square ones across the other side. If I can get you to focus. And I think they're pretty nice. Okay, we're on the street. We've come from Burger King and we're passing all the Christmas stores. And you can buy Christmas trees here, obviously fake. But all sorts of things for sale for decorating them, decorating the house. There's so much more Christmas stuff here, and there's more of a Christian influence. Not that Christmas trees are necessarily Christian, but along with that and all the Western influence, we get the Western traditions.